Cheez-Its.
I love Cheez-Its.
I guess he knows you like Cheez-Its.
Holy cannoli.
Wowza.
That's a lot of presents. Jaden, he drank all the milk. I know.
Oh
I
my.
asked for that.
You
Oh
asked
my
for
word.
it? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh my word.
This is Jaden. It's for me. What?
Okay, put it back over there. Is that going to be the first one you're going to open?
Yeah, please.
Hold
She can
on.
open what she wants, I guess.
Daddy.
Hold on, we're going to make coffee.
Go ahead and open one.
Wait.
Let her open one. Don't forget them waiting.
I can't see it.
No, really.